the airflow. So you have to follow these arrows. In this vehicle, the air flows from top to the bottom, and that's what this arrow shows. So it hits the top of the filter first and gets out the other way. Why this is important is because these filters actually are made of different layers. So the upper layers filter larger particles, while the lower ones filter smaller particles. So if you install it upside down, this means that this side will get clogged a lot faster, and therefore the efficiency of the filter goes down significantly. What's cool about this product is that it comes with activated charcoal, or activated carbon as it's also called. You can see all these black spots inside the filter. Unlike the regular filters, products with activated charcoal can also filter different odors and fumes, including the exhaust fumes of other vehicles, which can contain such gases as carbon monoxide or nitrogen oxides, which are quite harmful for your health. So having this type of cabin air filter in your vehicle can guarantee that the air in your cabin will be much cleaner. I'll show you guys again the not original but the previous ones, how much dust, dirt, debris they have accumulated. I want to point out again that you should replace them ideally once per year. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope this will be helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.